guys, welcome to Spice and Mix. So today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, that is aloo vadi or patra. So without further ado, let's move into the recipe. So guys, here I've taken this Arabica patta or colocasia leaf. Now I'm going to devein it. Deveining in the sense you know that the base of the leaf from behind it is very thick. So we are just gonna scrape it a little bit so that when we apply the paste over the leaf, it is easier for us to apply the paste because of this deveining. So for preparing this recipe, we need 1 cup of besan, 1/4 cup of jaggery we are adding here, 3 teaspoon of tamarind chutney. Now how to prepare this tamarind chutney, I will be adding it in the description box, so please have a look there. Next, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can add more or less. 1 teaspoon of haldi powder. Next, we are gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder here. Next, we are gonna add coriander powder. So here I have taken about half tablespoon of coriander powder. 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You can reduce or increase the amount as per your wish. Next, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala we are gonna add here. 1 tablespoon of sesame, you can add more or less. Half tablespoon of poppy seeds, that is khaskhas. Next, we are gonna add salt as per our taste. After adding all this, we are gonna give a good mix to this, a very nice mix. So guys, after mixing, our batter is ready. Now if you feel that our batter is too thick to apply on the leaf, so we can add 1 teaspoon of water. My batter was very thick, so added a teaspoon of water. Now after our paste is ready, we are gonna apply it onto the leaf. Now take care or make sure that you apply this paste as thin as you can. The layer shouldn't be very thick. The layer should be as thin as possible. So guys, you can see I have applied the paste onto the leaf. You can see here I am showing it to you that how thinly I have applied it. So you also please take care that you apply this layer as thin as possible. So now the next step is placing another leaf over the first one. So now you are going to place this leaf in the opposite direction that you had placed the first one. So now on the second leaf also same procedure will be followed, applying of the paste as thinly as you can. Now the next step is placing the third leaf over the second one. Now you are going to place this third leaf in the opposite direction to the second one. So in this fashion alternately we are going to add our leaf. Now it's time to roll the leaf. So the first step of rolling is from the sides you're gonna get the edges to the center of the leaf from both the sides, as you can see in the video. So now we are going to apply the paste again throughout the length of the leaf. From the top to the bottom we are going to coat it with the paste that we have prepared. So now we are going to start rolling our leaf from the bottom, not from the top but from the bottom we are gonna roll. Now while rolling, make sure that when you give one roll to the leaf, you apply the paste evenly throughout the length. Like you can see in the video as I'm showing you here. So you give a roll to the leaf and you apply the paste. You give a roll to a leaf and you apply the paste. Likewise, from top to bottom, every time you are rolling it, make sure that you are applying the paste evenly and a thin layer of the paste. So here my one roll is ready. Likewise, in the similar fashion, I'm going to prepare one more roll and we are going to steam it then. So guys, my both rolls are ready here and now we are going to steam them. So here I have taken a idli steamer. No need of preheating the steamer. You just place on the flame. Now on high flame, we are going to steam it for around 15 to 20 minutes by closing the lid. Okay, so for 15 to 20 minutes, within 15-20 minutes both the rolls are gonna get ready. So guys, it's almost 20 minutes and our rolls are ready. Now it's time to cut them into slices. So we'll cut this entire roll into thick slices of 1 inch or 2 inch thick slices. We are gonna cut them. So guys, it's time for some tempering. So for tempering, I have used here coconut oil, 3 teaspoons, mustard we are going to add, and after mustard gets spluttered, we are going to add curry leaves and sesame. Now after our tempering is ready, we are going to spread it throughout our patra and our aloo vadi or patra is ready here. So guys, if you like this recipe, please do give a thumbs up to this recipe and also share as much as possible, and also please do subscribe to Spice and Mix, and while subscribing also press the bell icon so that you get the notification.